Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate product reviews with Yotpo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start automating product reviews with Yotpo, first, create an account on the Yotpo website. After signing up, log in to your Yotpo dashboard. Next, connect Yotpo to your e-commerce platform. Choose your platform from the list provided and follow the connection prompts. Once connected, navigate to the Reviews section in the Yotpo dashboard. In this section, you will find options to customize your review request emails. Craft a compelling email template that encourages customers to leave reviews. Make sure to include a clear call to action in your email. Set up the timing for when these emails will be sent after a purchase. You can choose to send review requests a few days after delivery to ensure customers have time to use the product. Next, enable automatic review collection in your settings. This will allow Yotpo to gather reviews on your behalf without manual intervention. Once this feature is activated, Yotpo will periodically send out review requests based on your schedule. After setting up your emails, explore the options for displaying reviews on your product pages. Yotpo offers customizable widgets that you can incorporate into your website design. Select the widget style that best fits your brand's aesthetic. Next, copy the provided code and paste it into your website's HTML. Ensure the widget is placed prominently to capture customer attention. Finally, monitor the performance of your automated review requests in the Yotpo dashboard. Here, you'll find analytics on the quantity and quality of reviews being generated. By following these steps, you will have successfully automated product reviews using Yotpo. This setup will save you time and enhance your credibility with potential customers. With ongoing monitoring and adjustments, you'll build a steady stream of user-generated content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.